Hi, this is Kaivalya Naik. Now I'm going to do 20 questions from NTA of the Biology TPP. Let's do it. Question number 1. In lichen, sexual reproduction belongs to option A. Fungal partner only, option B. Algal partner only, option C. Both fungal and algal partners, option D. Neither fungal or algal partners. Answer is option number A. Fungal partner only. Question number 2. Tobacco and petunia belongs to the family. Option A. Poaceae. Option B. Fabaceae. Option C. Solanaceae. Option D. Brassicaceae. Answer is option C. Solanaceae. Question number 3. Which one of the following can utilize molecular nitrogen on N2 as a nutrient for growth? Option A. Rhizobium. Option B. Spirogyra. Option C. Mucus. Option D. Methanococcus. Answer is option A. Rhizobium. Question number 4. The site of ADA production in the body is neutrophils, lymphocytes, blood plasma, monocytes. Answer is option B, lymphocytes. What is sarcomere? Part between two H lines, part between two A lines, part between two I bands, part between two Z lines. Answer is part between two Z lines. Again, this question is repeated. What is sarcomere? Part between two H lines, two A lines, two I bands, two Z lines. Answer is option D, two Z lines. Which of the following soil bacterium produces a protein or chemical that is toxic to insect plants? Protobacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis, Pyrochaetes, Trichoderma. Answer is Bacillus thuringiensis, which is BT toxic procedure. A new crop that is source of high performance lubricant is Simondissa chinensis, Parthenium argentanum, Phosphocarpus tetragonolobus, and Leucaena leucophala. Answer is Simondissa chinensis. ये out of NCERT question है. The question is not important at all. Which one of the following is not included under in situ conservation? Option A, botanical garden. Option B, biosphere reserve. Option C, national park. Option D, sanctuary. Biosphere reserve, national park, sanctuary, all three are in situ conservation, where botanical garden is ex situ conservation, just like zoological park. The cell junction called tight adhering and gap junction are found in muscular tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, and neural tissue. Answer is option C, epithelial tissue. In which of the following of glycolysis molecule of water is removed from the substrate? Fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, 3-phosphate glyceraldehyde to 1,3-glyceraldehyde, PEP to pyruvic acid, and 2-phosphoglycerate to PEP. Answer is 2-phosphoglycerate to PEP. And choose the option that is showing the correct sequence of events occurring in each cycle of polymerase chain reaction or PCR. Denaturation, extension, primer annealing, denaturation, extension, denaturation, primer annealing, extension, primer annealing, denaturation. Answer is D. Denaturation, primer annealing, extension. Option number C. It's the most repeated question of the NEET or AIPMT. Polar cells form the lining of spongial in jellyfish Psychontaenia or Pila. Answer is option B, Psychon, that is Porifera category. In the base sequence in one chain of DNA is GC80G. What shall be the sequence in the replicated complementary strand? GC80G, CGTAC, ATGCG, GC80C. G in the complementary strand, in the place of G, it will be C. So ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये भी नहीं. ओनली बी ऑप्शन में जी के प्लेस में सी है, सो एलिमिनेशन मेथड से बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Which of the following is correct regarding blood pressure? 130/90 mm is considered as the high and required treatment. No, 140/90 is considered as high. So this is not. 100/55 is considered an ideal blood pressure. No, 120/80. Option C, 105/50, one very active. No, not such like condition. 190/100 may harm vital organs like brain and kidney. Yes, D is the correct answer. The science of rearing, feeding, care, breeding, and utilization of animal is called poultry, veterinary science, animal husbandry, dairy science. Answer is option C, animal husbandry. Although most carbon dioxide is carried in the blood, yet blood does not become acidic because CO2 is continuously diffused through one tissue and is not allowed to accumulate. CO2 combines with water to form H2CO3, which is neutralized by Na2CO3. In CO2 transport, blood buffers play an important role. CO2 is absorbed by leukocytes. Answer is option number C, which is also a previous year question of NEET, that in CO2 transport, blood buffers play an important role. That's why blood does not become acidic. The element which help in oxygen evolution in process photosynthesis, Zn, Zn and Mn, MoCl, BMg, Cl and Mn. Answer is Cl and Mn. Also, calcium help in water splitting. Most diverse macromolecules found in cell, both physically and chemically, are proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acid, and lipids. Answer is option A, proteins. The embryogenesis is the process of the development of an embryo from zygote. During this process, zygote undergoes meiosis, cleavage only, cell differentiation only, both cleavage and cell differentiation. Answer is both cleavage and cell differentiation. That's all. Jai Jagannath. All the best for your exam. Comment your score. Comment your score here.